Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Smash the World. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make this cute bag, but I'm going to be doing a little bit of some difference because this is the first one I ever did. So let's get started. I'm going to be telling you guys what you're going to need. Let me put this to the side. First you're going to need scissors, maybe a black marker, 2 different colors of felt. You could have soft wires, or not soft wires, but I think soft wires because I like them. You need a hot glue gun, and make sure you be careful with this. And you're going to need some pieces of paper. So once you have that, you're going to want to get your felt. And if your felt is small, you can. Pretty, I'm trying to speak. Okay, so once you did that, you're going to want to put, hold on, okay. So once you did that, you're going to want to trace out your, on the piece of paper on the felt. So you could use any marker that you want, but yeah. Let me just trace this real quick. Okay. So once you did that, now you're going to want to cut this out with your scissors. And scissors are sharp, so maybe if you are a little bit younger, you should ask a parent to help you out. Especially with the hot glue gun, because it's very hot. Okay, once you did that, you're going to want to get this in the piece of felt that you are doing. Now you're just going to want to hot glue this to here, like that, on it. And then after, you could cut out the excess that you need. And it might be hot when you press down, so you could use your marker to roll it down, like that. Okay, so once you hot glued that to your piece of paper, then you're going to want to cut out the excess, because mine has a little bit of it. So you're going to want to cut the excess out. First, I'm just going to cut the excess of felt. Oh, it's swinging. Okay. Oh my god. It might not be even, but yeah. Okay, so once you're done cutting it, it doesn't have to be perfect. Then you're going to want to do that to the other one. So you leave that to the side. You get your other one of felt. And then you get a piece of paper, you place it down, and you do the same thing that you did on the first one. Okay, so once you did both of them, you're going to want to hot glue them together, but leave the top open. Okay, once you did that and you have one side open, if you want, you can cut off some of the excess, and that's what I'm gonna do. But try not to cut off the hot glue or else it's gonna open. So once you have that, you're going to want to open it. And it opens just like this. Like that. And then you're going to want to get your pipe cleaners, and you could either put them on the inside or the outside. I like putting them on the outside. This time I'm going to use the blue one and put a little pocket, and then you can lift it up, because this one doesn't have a pocket. Okay, so once it's dry, well, this side's dry, but not this one. But once you're good, you should go like this and shake it a little bit, and if it stays, then you put enough hot glue. If it doesn't, then you have to put more hot glue. And then you're going to want to do that to the other side, but mine is still dry. Oh, and you could buy all of these stuff at the dollar store. And you could create your own design with markers or stuff like that. And put like little cool designs and put like a little pocket. That's what I'm gonna be doing with the blue felt. And you could even put your name on it, like mine is Samantha, so you could put here, or like put some stars, hearts, all over it. You could, yeah, you could just, you guys can dress it up however you want. So if you want, you could like put it like this, you could do different designs. And then let that dry. I keep burning myself. Okay, so while that's drying, I'm going to put that to the side. I feel like that's going to fall. And then you're going to want to get a different piece of felt. and you're going to want to underline with your marker. You could do like a square or like a little circle, and I'm going to be doing a little circle. Okay, so once you cut that out, you're going to want to get the piece of paper that you used from before, or get a new piece of paper if you don't have space. And then you're going to want to underline that on the piece of paper. Okay, so now once you did that, you're gonna hot glue. So if you have the outline, you're going to want to hot glue that onto there. Once you did that, this should be dry already. And let me test it. Yep, it's good. Then, now you're going to want to hot glue it, but make a little circle so it's like that. Put your finger through and push it down with your fingers, so it could dry in like a little circle. You could put different designs. If you have buttons, you could hot glue buttons on there, and you could put anything you want, and that's how you make a little DIY bag that you could put anything you want in here. And now I have 2, and I'm going to be making more. If you like this video, hit that like button, and if you didn't yet, hit that subscribe button, and hit the bell with the wings, and you're going to be notified whenever I have a new video. Bye! Love you all!